Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to review how long you really need to warm up your vehicle in the cold. Now, it's commonly believed that in the cold you need to warm up your car for several minutes before you begin driving in order to reduce wear and tear on your engine. Well, the truth is your engine doesn't need as much time to warm up as you may think. Even in the cold, modern cars can run safely at about 30 seconds. So if your car was manufactured in the last 20 to 30 years, it uses fuel injection to push the air-fuel mixture into the engine, and it's ready to drive at approximately 30 seconds. A fuel injection system has sensors for atmospheric conditions like air pressure, temperature, and humidity, and automatically adjusts the air-fuel mixture. And those sensors are especially effective in the newer cars. And because of this, it's a good idea to treat your fuel system with a fuel additive. Older vehicles use the carburetor to control the mixture going into the engine, with a manual or electric choke making the mixture rich. And in those cold temperatures, even electric choke carburetors needed a few minutes to warm up in order to prevent the engine from stalling. The only reason you need to warm up an engine today is for lubrication. So for your vehicle's engine, it takes less than 30 seconds to circulate oil throughout, coating all the moving parts in oil. Once that happens, it's safe to drive. And when you start to immediately drive, start slowly and take it easy for the first 5 to 15 minutes. Normal driving for a few minutes warms your car up faster than idling. Your car runs most efficiently at normal operating temperatures. Driving your car normal will warm it up faster than idling on the driveway. Long idle times waste fuel and causes increased wear and tear on your engine components. While modern high-quality oil flows better at low temperatures than oil of the past, there's still cause for concern about engine oils in extreme cold during startup. Synthetic oils were originally designed for the very premise of extreme cold temperatures and holding their viscosity better. Once oil gets below 20 degrees Fahrenheit, it very rapidly loses its ability to hold viscosity and becomes thicker and thinner. This makes the original startup in extreme cold temperatures difficult on the engine as it's trying to circulate thick, cold oil. The telltale sign of this in extremely cold temperatures is the ticking and clacking of lifters and engine components during the first 5 to 30 seconds of the engine firing up. Quickly though, as the engine rises in temperature, the oil would begin to flow well. Breaking down a synthetic 0W20 code, 0 is the oil's viscosity at startup when the engine is cold. W stands for its winter certification, and 20 is the viscosity at higher temperatures. Lower numbers designate thinner, lower friction oil. In addition, warming up your car for long periods or leaving it unattended and running may be against the law. As many provinces where I live and many states across the US have anti-idling regulations in place. Now, laws do vary from different communities and often change with temperature conditions. Where I live, the bylaw states drivers cannot idle for more than 5 minutes within any 30-minute period when parked in an area designated for no idling. Now you know idling your car doesn't warm it up any faster. Driving it reasonably for the first 5 to 15 minutes does a much better job. And you'll get to your destination quicker because you're not idling your vehicle on the driveway until it gets up to operating temperature. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.